Hello YouTube. I am sitting here again today at Copart, and the reason is yesterday I spent quite a chunk of cash for 18 years old car, and it's like a 5-digit number, which doesn't sound right, but hopefully this investment is the good one. We'll see it in a moment once the loader gonna bring it. So there we go. It was a little tricky to, for the loader to back up because probably didn't have enough clearance. Hopefully there is no too much of a damage. But so this is where the problem is. Somewhere here. So there is no caliper, there is no brake rotor left anymore. That's as far as I can see from that point. This needs to be replaced, I guess. The door probably could be saved, the lower skirt. I guess that's kind of the whole thing, including I cannot open the door. So it's a kind of big piece that goes under the rear quarter, probably. That's my guess. That's my first GM. And that's the thing right here. So probably this rim cannot be fixed. It's got too much of a damage right here. I'm probably gonna check with the repair guys, but probably the cost of the repair won't justify, the good used rim. I'm missing the cap right here, but that's really not a big deal. The whole thing is it's Z06, which I found out it's like a performance package or whatever, 405 horsepower kinda, and the best thing is that it's got only 35,000 miles on it or so, and the rest of the car looks to be in okay shape. I put it on my watch list quite a long time ago. This probably could be buffed for the most part, so I was a bit worried that by the time it's gonna get to the actual auction, it may be damaged, because it's probably been moved back and forth like quite a few times on Copart. But looks like that's pretty much exactly the same, probably, except this part that appears on Copart pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the documents and I'll get back on the road. So I'm getting ready to try to get it off this transport. I removed those kind of air ducts or lips or whatever. Found this cross member is bent. Actually this part is bent, but I guess that's not a really big deal. What, however, is the big deal, the rear knuckle assembly is shot. So, and it sits right on the rim. The rim is shot too, so I'm not worried about the rim anymore. So plus it's got the hanging brake cylinder without a piston, so pretty much there is no fluid, at least on that part. I am not sure if the whole fluid escaped from the brake system or not, but I am risking those trees. Thankfully this one is manual, so when it starts rolling I can put it into the gear and kind of brake with the engine. Also it may have the, how it calls, emergency brake, e-brake, so it may be working, it may be not. I'm not sure if there are, so I'm not sure how the e-brake is working on this car, if it got like shoes inside this rotor, or it's using the actual, you know, pads from the, you know, from the main brakes. But okay, regardless, so I put some more wood because it's pretty low. And I'm not sure if the bumper can clear this thing, so, but there is no much left to do. Let me see if it rolls or not, and we'll go from there. So there is a deal, it doesn't drive itself down, so looks like I'm gonna need to, you know, start the car and kind of carefully you know, at least start them you know, start to move the car and then immediately shut the ignition off, so the car kind of stop on the engine. What I noticed, it looks to me like it's got aftermarket headers, because I do not see anywhere the catalytic converter. It goes straight to the exhaust, so I'm not sure what the deal is. Okay, I just installed the jump start and we'll see if it's gonna crank. Well, yeah, looks like the battery is too low. I'm gonna let it sit for just a bit, allowing it to suck some more juice from my booster pack, and we'll try it again. I kind of got tired poking around with the, you know, jump box and, you know, my other batteries, so I went to Costco and purchased this replacement battery. Already installed it, and now hopefully we can hear if this engine is alive. Probably won't be able to drive the car by myself. I'm gonna need a couple people, you know, to watch, you know, everything, because, you know, obviously this wheel, you know, just pointed wherever it wants, plus this wheel is busted, so I am worried about the bumper and the lip of the trailer. That's why I put, you know, some more, you know, wood. Hopefully it's gonna you know, prevent the car from any more damage. But right now let's try to crank it at least. I know it's been sitting at Copart for quite a while, and this 0 in the end means it was brought to Copart in year 2000. So the last number on the lot number, or the last digit on the lot number, represents what year the vehicle was brought to or processed at Copart. All right, moment of truth. I have no brakes, so I got this one, clutch, I'm not sure if it sounds like how it's supposed to sound, I don't know, but again, I didn't find any catalytic converters, so no problems here, at least from the first sight, except there is no brake fluid in this container, but at least we can try to move the car off the trailer. I'm not sure, it doesn't sound like it's very balanced. Maybe it's like the old fuel, maybe it's supposed to work like that, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna gather a couple more people and we'll try to drive it off this trailer.